Hey y'all, it's Karen from Waterfall Acrylics. Having a bit of a fail. About to try again. I wasn't gonna make you guys watch that whole thing, so I just started over. So, hi. I'm trying out a, excuse me, I'm trying out a new color combo tonight. Let me do the colors real quick. Artist Loft Flow Acrylic in white. This here was, Artist Loft light blue, but I didn't want light blue. I wanted like a light turquoise, so I added a bit of phthalo blue to it, and I got this lovely shade. You can see the difference. Just a little brighter and happier. I have some alizarin Crimson U by Liquitex, which is the worst version of this color in my opinion. It's kind of wimpy for a deep red. So I added some of my, where'd it go? I added some of my High Flow, which is much darker and richer. And this is about empty, so I can't show you. Maybe you can. Nope, it's gone. It made it a deeper color. Here's my blue and red. I really wanted those. I forgot where I was, but I was inspired by the deep red with the light blue. I was out of burnt sienna, so I made my own by taking raw sienna and adding about a tablespoon of vermilion to get my version of burnt sienna, which is that color right there. And then I have a little bit, just a little bit of Payne's Gray by Grumbacher Academy. And Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White. Pouring medium was 12 ounces of the color pouring medium gloss by Golden, 12 ounces of Elmer's Glue Wall, and only 4 ounces of water. So 1-to-1 ratio, but I had to augment all colors with about a tablespoon of water to get the consistency I needed. I'm just striking out all over today, and I'm hoping by filming you guys will bring me good luck. I'm like, I'm gonna do a pour and I'm gonna have a nice clean countertop and look all professional. But nope, not happening. So I'm just gonna start layering. And these are just two very beat up 8x10 cradled wood panels. Mixing up the order for each. And this is more for curiosity to see if I like this color combination to do a larger pour, like maybe an 18x36, I'm thinking. So I want that with there, I want that with there, and I want the crimson against the blue on both. So I gotta tell you a little funny story real quick. So the other night, after I finished filming, I was cleaning up, and I, uploaded the video and put it on, edited the video and uploaded it on YouTube, and I'm missing a color in this one. I'm cleaning up, and I hear voices outside talking, which in the summertime is not unusual. Excuse me. Because I live in a townhouse and I have neighbors on both sides. But then I realized, like, it was after midnight. I guess I'll put a little bit of white on this one. I don't want to do it on this one. And both of the couples on either side of me had babies over the summer. So I'm like, and it sounded like, her name's Michelle. I'm like, that sounds like Michelle. She's out there talking. I'm like, it's kind of late for her. Maybe the baby's up. Just like random thoughts like that. And then it gets kind of quiet and I don't think of it or anything. And then I hear voices again. And I hear something about Amsterdam paint. And when somebody says something in passing that sparks your interest, your ears, you perk up. And you're like, oh, what are they talking about? That was me. So I'm like, oh my God, I didn't know she liked to paint. How did she know about Amsterdam paints? What's going on? And so I go out to my friend's doors and look out, and there's nobody there. And I'm like, okay, that was weird. And I walk away, and I'm cleaning up my counter here, and I hear voices again. I'm like, that sounds like Michelle. And I go over to the door again, and then I realized that I had left the video editing up on my video, and I was listening to myself talk. And I don't know why, that just set me, I was like doubled over laughing all by myself because everyone else was in bed. Cracking myself up like, you goober. If that's not a classic Karen goober move, I don't know what is. Totally. Oh gosh, that should be plenty of paint for both. We'll leave a little on my cups. Already have one mess on the counter. A drop of treadmill, spot on treadmill silicone in all the colors except the gray and the white. So just in the crimson, light blue, and burnt sienna. So, see, I like that color combo right there already. So maybe I'll get lucky. So I struck out, I want to say, at least 5 times, excuse me, if not 6, with the high flow today. And thank you all very much, all the people that wrote in with suggestions on who I should watch. And I should have clarified that I was looking for some videos of people using high flow, golden high flow with golden pouring medium. Because I knew everyone was suggesting, but all those people, you know, Anne-Marie and Rick and Heather and everyone else, Gina, they all use it with Floetrol. And I was looking for someone who used it with golden, or at least Liquitex. And the person I found who's the closest is Melly D. So I was binge watching Melly D today. So thank you, Melly, because I learned a lot. All right. And I will try again tomorrow after I go to the art supply store. No, let's just kind of lift up. That is not what I was expecting. Wow. Where's my crimson? I'm gonna let that puddle sit there a second, think about itself. Say, where's the crimson? How about this one? Oh gosh, the prettiest shades of blue. I'm deciding if I want to flip and lip him, run my cup through him. This one I think I'm going to leave alone. This one here, yeah. Let's see if we can get some of the crimson to come up. Or not. I put it in the cup, I see it. I suddenly feel really kind of terrible. Like I just got the chills and I think I'm getting a fever. Honest to God, like right this second. Excuse me a second. I'm like, wow. Yeah, I'm gonna shut up and do my thing and see what's going on. Go take my temperature. Let me move these around a little bit. Maybe I should have lit that line. I don't know. We'll see. Bring it down just a little. What is with that line up there? I can't have that. All right. enough for now. Can you guys hear that? My dog's having a nightmare. He's running in place and whimpering. Let me give this one, can you see both of these? Oh, this is low battery. Okay. Can you see both? Yeah, move this one. There we go. This one's very pinky. I am burning up. Let me give those a torch. Can they be any different? Right? From the same color palette? Oh my goodness. I was trying not to over torch there. So it's up really high. Let's let it dry. Sons of bees, man. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right, let's give him a tilt. I need a win before I go to bed because it's been not a good day of painting. Slide some of these guys off. Too many, too many. There's a caterpillar body part. It's got to go off. Okay. He's gone. Can you see? I guess I'll just do a little closer over here. All right. Very unusual color combo that came out of this. Holy moly. I don't know what to make of it. Look at that. It's interesting. I couldn't have predicted that in a million years. Nope. All right, let's try this guy. The caterpillar row. Come off this one end. And work my way to the other. Can you see? Let me move the one out of my way so I don't drip on it. And then I'll bring them back together. Look at that one giant cell too. Like, where'd you come from? Well, this one is, I feel like crap. This one's closer to what I had in my head. I wanted the crimson background with the blue cells. I'm definitely gonna try this color combo again. This one here, let me hold these up. So here's this guy. Let me turn it so you can see it better. And I'm going to bed, y'all. So here's this one here. I don't mind those caterpillars because at least it's one big, you know, choo-choo track or whatever. So that's what that one looks like. Kind of interesting. And let's slide that back. Slide him over. And then here's the other one that's just so randomly out of left field. I don't know what to make of it. Right? Like what? Out of the same cup. Or, you know, same colors. Like if I told you that came out of the same batch of colors, you wouldn't believe me. Anyway, I'm gonna show my face real quick. I need to give a shout out to somebody, and maybe I'll film tomorrow. I feel awful. Like suddenly feel really awful. I had to say thank you to Diane for the box of chocolates. You guys are so good to me, Diane. That was totally not necessary and so generous and thoughtful, and thank you. I will tell you that, because chocolate's never far from my hand. This arrived on Saturday. It's Monday night. There's only 2 pieces left. That's how much we liked it. But yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Okay, take care. Bye.